Hey there, it's Rowan from BriteDecking and I am excited to show you our incredible new build here at Eaton's Hill Hotel using Australia's #1 synthetic carbonised board. Let's go and check it out. Since 1999, BriteDecking has set the benchmark for premium decking. Our range is designed, manufactured and distributed by us right here in Australia. So naturally our composites are uniquely engineered for the Australian environment, which is why we got the call from Eaton's Hill Hotel. We provided our titanium collection boards to give a new boost of life to this great venue. Let's take a closer look. Here it is, our game-changing titanium collection. It's eco-friendly and 100% new polymer. This is the most advanced composite board that cares about the environment. It also has the most stunning natural wood appearance on the market. All completely original, no two boards are created alike, no boring repeating patterns. Our titanium range has a double protective coating providing maximum protection against scratches, stains, cracking, mould and termites, providing all the elements for an extra long life. You don't need to worry about maintenance either because it doesn't need any staining, oiling, sealing or painting. Those years of stressing over frequent maintenance are over. Another great benefit of our boards is that they are incredibly safe and child-friendly. Anti-slip, zero splinters, no nail heads sticking out, and they have no hazardous substances. That makes them perfect for an outdoor entertainment area like this. BriteDecking is a financially sustainable way to create the outdoor space of your dreams without expensive and time-consuming installation and upkeep. It simply can't get any easier than this. To prove to you our promise that your titanium collection deck will look as good as new for many years to come, we have included a massive 30-year warranty. Now that's peace of mind. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our work here at Eaton's Hill Hotel. Give us a call today and join thousands of happy customers who trust BriteDecking to create a beautiful and eco-friendly environment around their homes and businesses. Cheers.